You're going to like this one. Let's make this thing a bit lighter. Just like that, we're good to go. These are the tools you're going to need. Super straightforward. I'm sure everyone's got these already. She's heavy. This thing honestly looks awesome. Let's get it fired up. Not a bad sound at all. Not too different to standard, but it's got a baffle in. Let's get rid of it.
I just wanted to quickly cut to this clip here where I'm showing you the clearances between the passenger foot pegs and the exhaust. So you can see they are a little bit tight. It's not something that I'm concerned about, but if it's something that might concern you, this is at least a reference. I'm using the cardboard exterior of a chewing gum wrapper. You can see that the clearances are there. They don't touch, nothing touches the passenger foot pegs. But if you are worried about it, you can always just simply remove the passenger foot pegs and enjoy.